Hey, this is Ryan. For video number 5, I'll dive into Jenkins today. The tutorial that I'm following is from Raj's channel. It's called Agent of Change, and I'll leave a link in the description. So I'm going to make a slight variation where I'll install Jenkins onto an EC2 instance instead of through the Amazon Marketplace. And also, I have this on my own GitHub if you want to follow along. The first thing that we will do is to create an EC2 instance. We're just going to select the top one. This is Amazon's Linux Red Hat distribution. So select. We'll pick a T2 micro, should be all we need. And before we launch it, I want to go to security group. Let's just open up port 8080. We'll just leave this open for now. And review and launch. Download a key pair, create a new key pair, Jenkins tutorial, download, launch instance. All right, gotta give it a minute. It's in pending state, so I'll come back in a minute. Okay, EC2 is running. All right, let's connect. Downloaded the PEM key, so we'll just copy this. And then we want to SSH into our instance. Okay, now that we're in our server, you want to download Jenkins. I have a link on my GitHub. This will take you to Jenkins' website. So we're going to be using a Red Hat distribution. So we're going to, I guess it'll automatically take us to Red Hat. We're just going to copy these commands. So I'm just going to copy that. Next, we will download the key. Okay, I think that worked. Sudo yum upgrade. Okay, and we need to install Java. Complete. Let's just reload the system. Okay, so Jenkins is downloaded. If we scroll down, it says, here's our command for starting Jenkins, so let's copy that. And if we want to check the status to make sure it's working, then we copy this line. Okay, Jenkins is running. Everything looks good. We already have port 8080 configured. So to unlock Jenkins, let's copy our IPv4 address, paste, and then port 8080. Let's see if it works. Okay, looks good. So it might take a minute for Jenkins to load. And to sign in, we're going to need our Jenkins password. And in order to find this, if you scroll down, it's going to show us which command we can use to find that. It should be this. So we're going to cat out this password. Let's try copying and pasting that. And here we go. Okay, we need to install suggested plugins, so let's just click this. Don't remember how long this takes, but after that, I think this is the end of the video for now. And in the next video, I'll explain what we'll actually use Jenkins for.